Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue telling you about pronouns. As I have told you earlier that pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun to avoid repetition and to make the sentence, not awkward. So then comes indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is actually, as the name itself suggests, that it is the pronoun that refers to the general things or persons. So do remember that indefinite pronoun doesn't refer to specific things. For example, if I say I have eaten everything in the fridge, everything refers to all the things that are present in the fridge. So it doesn't, pointing towards a specific entity. Now, whether it was, apple or it was pasta or anything else. Then comes I don't have anything. I don't know about anything about music. So it means that I don't know even a single thing about music. When I say anything, I haven't, pointed towards any specific point of or any specific thing about the music. Then comes none of the students are expected to get A's or B's. Here, I haven't pointed towards any specific student, but I have just generalized the term students that they are not going to get A's or B's. Then comes possessive pronouns. As the name itself is telling that it is something that, telling about the possession, the ownership. So possessive pronouns are, these are the words which replace a noun and they shows ownership. For example, if I say this house is bigger than mine, instead of that, I can also say that this house is bigger than my house. So I have just shown the possession with the help of possessive pronoun that was mine. So this house is bigger than mine. This mine is possessive pronoun. Then comes all students must take their invites to the receptionist. Now this there is actually possessive pronoun. Then comes demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is a word or it is the pronoun that represents a noun and expresses its position, either it's proximal or distal. The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Do remember that when we use demonstrative pronoun in sentence, we will always place a verb after them. If you place a noun, it would become demonstrative adjective. For example, if I say this is fantastic idea, so this I have placed is after this, so it this is actually demonstrative now. But if I say this idea is fantastic, it now this would be demonstrative adjective. Then comes reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is actually it is used to show the mutual mutual action or mutual relationship. For example, if I say Jack and Jill hate each other, it means Jack hates Jill, Jill hates Jack. So the action is reciprocated. It means the action is reflected towards both entities. There are only two reciprocal pronouns that are one another and each other. The example of one another is we won't violate one another's privacies. For example, if there are two, there are husband and wife. Husband says that we won't violate one another's privacies. It means that husband won't violate the privacy of her wife, and wife would also not violate the privacy of her husband. So that's all from today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you have learned a lot. If you have any query related to this topic, you can mention in comments box.